Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're gonna be doing a Will It Fit on this 2020 Toyota 4Runner. We put a 2.5-inch lift on it, 1.5-inch wheel spacers, and some 285/70/17s on the factory wheels. And I know what you're thinking, Michael, what do I need to do in order to make this tire and wheel setup work? The first thing is you're gonna have a little bit of work on your front inner fender. What we did is we removed the factory hardware that retains that inner fender, and we moved the whole inner fender forwards into the bumper, and then we re-secured the inner fender. Then moving to the back, it comes from the factory with some mud flaps. We removed the mud flaps to allow the tires and wheels to fit. We didn't need to touch the cab mount. We didn't need to cut anything. We just needed to simply apply some pressure and convince it to move forwards or move backwards. So with that being said, that's all that goes into this in order to make this combo fit. If you have questions on what setup this is, what tires, what wheels, what lifts, go watch our walkthrough video. And if you want to know our tips and tricks on how to install this lift, go watch our tips and tricks video. We'll tell you what our mechanics do that you may not know doing the install in your driveway. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. We are the premier off-road customization shop in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We're here to serve you however we can, so don't hesitate to leave a comment, shoot us a text, or give us a call at 833-268-2577. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.